I've been talking to the silence, hoping it talks back someday. I wake up to a war inside my mind again. Same fight, new scars, can't find a friend. Smiling in the mirror, but it cracks at the grin. Shadows in my chest where the light's worn thin. People see the surface, call it doing fine, but they never hear the static on the mental line. Pills on the table, thoughts in the drain. Try to clean the mess, but it stains my brain. And I keep climbing for the dark, just to find a little spark. Tell me I'm not lost for good. Tell me I still could. Tired eyes, no sleep, fake peace in the daylight. Smile on repeat, can't fight with the pain writes. Everyone's saying it's okay, just breathe, but the air feels thick and it cuts when I speak. Got ghosts in my head that whisper my name. You'll never escape, it's always the same. But I'm done being chained to my doubt and regret. I'm bleeding in ink, not blood, no threat. And I keep climbing through the door, just to find a little spark. Tell me I'm not lost for good. Tell me I still could. I'm breaking through the noise tonight, screaming just to feel alive. Every scar's a battle cry. I'm still here, I'm still trying. I'm holding on through every fall. I've been down but I've seen it all. Maybe pain just builds the wall. I'll climb it, I won't stall. I'm tired but I'm not gone. I've been shattered but I move on. The cracks in me let the light in. Maybe that's where I begin. If I could tell the kid I was that the storm was never just because, I'd say you'll make it through the night. You just gotta find your light. I keep running through the dark. I found a little spark. I'm not lost for